You are way too big for this bouncy seat. But it sure is cute. Look at your legs are hanging off. Oh, bounce, bounce, bounce. You figured it out, Troop. This is why we're getting rid of this seat. You're scooting off of it. You're too big. You're too big. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, you crazy! You crazy! Kick! Whoa! Whoa! The legs of fury! And I have to get you out of here now. You're gonna bounce out. Shake 'em! Shake, shake, shake! Shake, shake, shake! Shake 'em! Jaden! Jaden! Shake, shake, shake! You shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake them. You want this one? You want the whisk? Shake it. Shake it. Good baby. You hit it on here. You hit it. You hit it on the pan. You hit the pan, babe. Oh, good boy. Good boy. You make a music. You gonna be the next Justin Timberlake or Justin Bieber? Next Justin somebody, even though your name's Jaden. I made Jaden a sensory bin filled with water, ducks, and just letters. And that's okay because he doesn't put stuff in his mouth anyways. And I'm right here. So it's not like he's gonna choke or anything. You like the water? What do you have there? Put these back in there. J. Your name starts with J. Taking all of them out? Jaden. Taking all the letters out. You say they don't belong. Only ducks in the water. What do you think? All the letters are going bye-bye. Only K's left. Only K's left. No duckies?
Teresa gave it to let me know how my grandmother feels about me. You're very welcome.
You put them back in? You put it back in? You put the ducky back in the pond? No? Ducky goes in pond.
Just pretend there's a wall there.
You put the ducky in the pond?
Is this the bed that's gonna make you stay?
Nope. Ducky goes on land because he's wearing clothes, I guess.
Find out where I'm going. It's better coming with me. Then I'm gone. And then you can come visit me at my house.
Danny, I can move on over back down here, and then you can, when you get married, you can
Why would you want your adult son not to leave home and to have a life of his own?
I definitely see your future with William. I was scared of the crap. Getting married.
I'm not gonna be here the rest of my life like you are.
I don't know if I was serious.
You're both of them. You're just
Is that what you're trying to say? You want me to back off? I'll back off. As long as you're honest, and you'll say as much as you can.
I do appreciate my mom's, efforts trying to keep me home because
Bless you.
she wants me around.
Can I have the ducky? Can I have the ducky? No, I guess not.
Day blue, green. I heard a dog bark by blue. Green, 4. The flowers spin in the sun. Thanks for calling. Ring-a-ling, the animals sing. The dog barks by time. Blue,
Are you cute? My goodness.
Crash.
I still got remnants of when we spilled the Easter basket. No. No cords.
Come here. Crash.